you guys hear that rain? Oh my god. We're in September, guys. We're in the bear months and I'm so here for it. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm excited for today's video. I'm working with a brand called CATKIN, and they are the most gorgeous, cutest packaging I've ever seen on makeup, and I can't wait to get it on my face. A little bit of skincare, so I'm going to use my own little bit of skincare. Obviously I'm not going to talk about those products, and also don't mind my nails because I am going, after I've done this video, I am going to go and get my autumn nails done, guys. I so can't wait. I am looking forward to like full beat autumn makeup. So this one will probably be my last, like, I don't know, like simple, like clean makeup look, and then I'm going to be doing like loads of, you know, autumny makeup. I'm back from holiday, by the way. Oh my god, I read my whole book while we was there. I read a whole entire book in a week. So I feel really accomplished by that, guys, and I'm on the fifth book now in this series of Throne of Glass. Your girl's loving that book series, guys, really loving it. So I've just put on my moisturizer, and then I'm just going to put on some primer. Like I say, these are not what we're going to be talking about in today's video, guys. I am so excited about this little collaboration. Well, it's a big collaboration to me, to be honest. Any collaboration. And thank you so much for all the love here on my channel. We're almost at 3k subscribers, guys. Like, what? 3,000 of you are watching my channel, so thank you so much for that. It's just, it blows my mind that we're almost at 3,000 subscribers. So before Christmas, I'm putting it out there, so we've got a few months before Christmas, I want to hit that 3k. I want to say a thank you to you guys and do a giveaway. Sure to wait around for that. So I've just put on my moisturizer and my primer. I cannot wait to try this foundation. Now, when I tell you this brand, it's so incredibly cute. You know I like my cuteness. I love it. I love cuteness, but oh my god. Look at this packaging on the box for starters, guys. How adorable is that little panda? So obviously CATKIN is a C beauty brand, so it's a China based beauty brand, so along the lines of China, Korean. You know I love that makeup, that skincare. They just hit it on the dot. So I can't wait to try out this little Panda cushion foundation. I've got it in the shade W11 Light. There are any discount codes, I'll pop them on screen, I'll pop them down below. So along with the products that I've got in today's video, I'll link it all down below. I'll link the channel link to CATKIN as well, so you can go check them out. But yeah, I'm loving the packaging so far. So in this box, I have got a little refill, which is so adorable. I'm absolutely obsessed with the packaging, I really am. And then this is the packaging of your little cushion foundation. How bloody gorgeous is that? So it's got a little pushy button. Oh, look at the little powder puff, guys. Look at that little powder puff. It's even got a little panda on there. The detail, the attention to detail, I'm all here for. And it's even got a little panda on the gorgeous. So I don't want to, I like these for like powder, so I'm not going to use it for the foundation. I've realised I haven't wet my sponge, so I'm going to be lazy and I'm just going to use one of my setting sprays, just wet my sponge. I never normally do this, but I'm feeling lazy today. I'm in a little bit of a rush because I've got a nail appointment and I don't want to miss that. So I don't know what I'm gonna have done to like my nails. I don't know whether to go dark black. Do I go black straight away, or do I go like a burgundy? Start off the bare months. Do you see where I'm going? So I'm just gonna take off. Do you know when your nails get to that stage when they need doing and you literally can't do life? That's exactly what I'm feeling like right now. Managed to get it off, guys. I'm going in with my sponge. I'm gonna just tap in there. It does look a little bit dark. I'm hoping it's not gonna be dark because like these kinds of makeup products are not. Oh no, it's fine. It's fine. If anything, it's more on the lighter side. I'm hoping that I can build up coverage with it. I knew it would be like a lighter foundation. I'm all for the full coverage at this time of year. We're still in the early stages of obviously September. It's the 4th of September today that I'm filming there. Yeah, I'm quite liking that, to be honest, my full coverage. But at the minute, obviously through summer and stuff, I was wearing tinted moisturizers and things like that. But I think these kinds of foundations, you can build them up. It doesn't feel heavy or anything like that. It really doesn't feel heavy. It feels quite nice and lightweight, which quite a lot of these cushion foundations do. I love a good cushion foundation. I've got quite a few now. I think that's all nice and blended. It feels lovely on the skin. I don't detect any like perfume or any strong scents or anything like that. I've gone over my eyes. It doesn't feel like it's irritating my skin or anything, because sometimes some certain makeups can feel like they're irritating my skin, but this really does not feel like that at all. I'm really happy with the first product. Right guys, so I've done majority of my makeup. The next product, oh my god, look how stunning this package is in. Again, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the CATKIN Rosy Blush CBD Crush. Wait until you see inside this blush, guys. You're not gonna believe it. Bloody gorgeous. It's got like a rose. Oh, it's like embellished. It just looks stunning. You do get a little mirror. So let's take the... Oh, look at that little mirror. How beautiful would that be in like your vanity? As always, I'm going to use my blush brush and I'm just going to go into this for the first time. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, gorgeous. I love that gorgeous pinky blush. It's like one of my favourite tones of blush. I do like a peachy blush, but my favourite is definitely a pink. And I do have blush blindness. I can go for days putting on blush, but we're not gonna do that today. That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love this. Thank you so much for CATKIN for like contacting me regarding this collaboration. Without you guys, I'd never get these brands reaching out to me, so I want to say a massive thank you to you guys as well, because without you guys I would never have brands as gorgeous as this reaching out to me so I can show you their products. Christmas is around the corner, guys. These would make the most beautiful Christmas gifts, in my opinion. If Tony was to buy me like a set from this brand, I'd be over the moon. Come on, Girlies are gonna go mental for this. My nieces would absolutely love these little beauty products, but yeah, they are so beautiful. I'm in love with them. So the next thing I want to show you is this gorgeous little palette. It's just a CO4, but this is a beautiful little palette. It's got all Chinese writing on the back. So again, the packaging, the packaging on these are absolutely stunning. They're all my kind of shades as well. Look at that. Perfect for autumn. You've got those nice like burnt browns, a little bit of pink. Oh, ideal for autumn. You're welcome. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma brush, and I think we're gonna go into the matte brown, which is this one here, but I'm just gonna see how pigmented. And she's pigmented, she's there, the colour's there straight away. I'm just focusing that in the crease. It just pops, it just makes my eyes pop. But like I said, I'm not going crazy because I am going out. If you can hear any banging or anything, the next door neighbours having their garden ripped out, all the trees and hedges and everything all ripped out. Well, not completely ripping the trees out, but taking them back for winter and stuff. But yeah, so that's what you can hear amongst the rain. I think I'm just going to go into this bone white shade and just like go around the edges. Just gold saying, ooh, it's like a yellowy mustardy type. I'm gonna go into like this pinky hue, this one maybe. So I think that pink one's a bit too much. I might just go for the first one, the yellowy one. It's not so much like a glitter or a topper or anything like that. It does have a little bit of shimmer in there. It's not like a sparkle or anything. Just got a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just going to finish off the eyes, guys, and then the last thing is the lips, and you want to stay and watch what this lipstick looks like, guys, because it's the most cutest lipstick I've ever seen in my life. So this is the last product I'm going to be talking about from CATKIN, and it's their lipsticks. Now, their lipsticks are just so unique and gorgeous. So this is in the shade Lotus, and oh my god, guys. First of all, look at the outer packaging. How bloody stunning is this outer packaging to start off with? It's got little birds all over it, and I am, you know me and packaging, guys. I'm a sucker for gorgeous packaging, and this is gorgeous packaging. But wait until you took the lid off. Look at that, it's embossed all around the lipstick, like the birds. Oh my god, it is just such gorgeous packaging, and the attention to detail is just beautiful. So I'm just going to pop this on. Like I said, I've already put on a little bit of a lip liner. It might not even match the lip liner. It's such a smooth like lipstick. Like, it's really buttery. I don't want to ruin it. Guys, look! My hair has turned out so pretty. I'm shook. I'm literally shook. I've been trying for weeks and weeks and weeks to like get my hair to curl, to look pretty. I think it looks very autumny, very, yeah, I love it. So I want to say thank you to CATKIN for collaborating with me in today's video. If you do want to check out this brand, I'll leave the link for them down below, along with any discount codes that I've got to save you some money at checkout. And yeah, what do you guys think? I am obsessed. I love the way this makeup has turned out. I love the eyeshadow palette, the blush. This blush is going to be my favourite blush. Love the foundation. And the lipstick is just beautiful. I love that lipstick. So thank you so much for CATKIN for collaborating with me in this video. I hope to work with you again in the future. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday at 6 PM UK time. And I will see you in the next one, guys. I love you so much, and bye.